A web shell is a web application file an attacker uploads to or creates on a victim web server to create a backdoor for easy access. In this scenario, we will use a simple web shell application to demonstrate the techniques that can be used to detect such threats. For the purposes of this scenario, we will create a web shell on the target web server ourselves. This is the part where the web shell executes the attacker's commands. The user account that will execute the application is www.datauser, and its user ID is 33. Behind the scenes, we use audit-d service to generate process logs on the web server. Audit-d process logs include executable and related user ID information. That information will enable us to detect a potential web shell activity. With this real-time alert rule, we will look for log messages with user ID 33 and commands that are likely to be used by a potential attacker for enumeration and other purposes. We will start monitoring the real-time alert rule we just activated. We will use the port forwarding feature of Sliver Command and Control Framework again. Through this tunnel, we will be able to use the tools available to us on our attack machine and access the target web server remotely. Now we will use a command line HTTP client to use the web shell application on the victim machine. In the alert message, we can identify the command that was run through the web shell application. Unfortunately, since we used the process logs to identify this attack, we don't see the source IP address of the foothold system in them. That's why we need to use other log data to identify the foothold system's IP address. We are interested in the log messages created within the same time interval. With a little more investigation using the web server logs, we identified the source IP responsible for accessing the web shell application. To identify potential web shell activities, we can use a query like this. It is important to note that collecting the necessary logs and processing them correctly are as important as searching for them. That's all for identifying web shell activities on an Apache server. A similar approach could be used for other web server types. See you in other advanced persistent threat detection and threat hunting scenarios with ACKLOG.